Hi, this is Lev from TrueConf. Here on ISE 2020 we have another new product to show you, which is called TrueConf MCU. So MCU is what it is said, it is an MCU. This is a software solution which main goal is to mix participants from multiple sites and produce multi-point conferences using standard protocols. So TrueConf MCU features a very nice new interface which allows us to populate address book with available room devices we have in our company, create conferences. We can also manage ongoing conferences. For example, we can control layouts, control microphones, control list of participants, and many other things. Every conferences can be recorded or streamed. So every feature you would like to have from an MCU, we have in this solution. This solution is quite new, so it is only available as beta. If you'd like to learn more, feel free to visit our website, which is trueconf.com, and look for MCU. Thank you.